Hi everybody. For this first tool talk, I want to show you guys Google Classroom. I've been spending a lot of time on Google Classroom with my boys because they're homeschooling, and this has been an excellent way to get access to their classes and all their assignments and to communicate with their teachers. So I am really taking note of this experience with the COVID-19 stuff that's happening because I get to see all of this from a parent's perspective, from my children's perspective as students, and as a future educator. So let me take you to the platform, and I'll get Ian signed in. And I'll just take you on a little tour of what our day has been looking like for the last 10 days or so, almost, I think, because we've been home. This is all of his classes. And every day we check his email first and we see if there's any communication from his teachers. And then we just go through each one of these classes one at a time. And let's look at his science, and I'll show you how this looks. He's completed a lot of work already this week, and I think tomorrow is just like a day for students to catch up on a lot of what's been happening. So his teacher's really great. What she did was she posted a Google Slides to explain what the expectations are from the students, and this is what it looks like. I could really see myself doing this as a future educator. And it has all of the links necessary. She has shared the login information before, so we already knew that, or we had that saved on the memory, so it automatically signs him in. And I mean, this is just a really great way of being very clear of our expectations. The one she has for him, and how I can help him to be sure he gets everything complete. This was today, and we finished all of it. And so here is what she has for tomorrow, and then a nice little note at the end. I really like this organization for this class in particular. It's very clear, and I like how she has this set up. And you can see all of the classes here for everybody, even his art class, which today he had a Kahoot assignment posted, and it was a very neat game where Ian could ask questions or answer questions that the teacher had posted. I think there was about 20 of them. So much we can do with Google Classroom. This is the stream, and the way I kind of envision this is that as an educator, I might post a video with explicit instruction and actually teaching the lesson, and then post related assignments or activities and assessments, and everything can just be put right here. And then there's this classwork tab where you can see what has been completed and what's due, and I won't show you the people for privacy reasons. And then here's a class drive where a lot of other information can be posted. So far, this is everything for that art class. And whatever else Ian may need to save and continue working on so that he could submit it later. Let me get back to those classes so you can see all of them again. And there's a lot of benefits for teachers and for students Teachers can post the assignments with full description of instructions and expectations. As I've said before, the games and activities that are related could be posted along with them. Videos can be posted, and students can have full access to whatever the teacher posts, which for me, that's a big deal even as a parent, because I might have a question about an assignment and not know what's expected of Ian if it's not clearly posted. And students can track their work and be sure they get everything complete. And I just think it's very, very useful. I mean, the only potential challenges that I can see is that students like my son may need a little more support in being sure he's well organized and getting everything done and everything turned in. And so we've been able to do that. And there could be also some challenges for students who do not have a computer or do not have internet access. So that could be a problem, a potential problem with it. And this could be accessible from the first day of class, from the first day of school. I know oftentimes some teachers will give all the login information for the students and for the parents at orientation before school starts. So it's a great tool. So I hope this video was helpful, and have a good one.